Welcome back guys to GTS Garage. Today's going to be a nice quick video. As I said before, time is of the essence. So today's going to be a quick video, but it's going to save you losing an eye when trying to put the pedal back onto the bike. Once you're ready to reassemble the pedal, you're going to obviously have a pedal, you're going to have a collar, you're going to have the bolt, and that has got the split pin hole through the bottom. I'm going to turn that wheel or roll off, and you're going to have something that's going to take or attempt to take your eye out at least 2 or 3 times. That spring is tightly wound, and what you've got to do is try and crush the entire thing in, and with your other set of hands get the bolt through with the collar. Armed with a ridiculously long cable tie, put it through the hoop and pull it just about to the radius of there. Then slipping the 2 prongs through, start squeezing those together using the cable tie to do about that angle. So each time you're pulling that as tight as you possibly can. And then you can cut and pull this part out. And there you are. Your pedal is now on. So that is how quick and easy it is, but that will save you losing an eye. Also, make sure you put the split pin in, otherwise this will vibrate loose. So the next job for me is to put the pedal back in. Okay, so that is how easy it is. It's those tips and those tricks that can mean the difference between a nice simple job that takes 5 minutes and something that has you scratching your head for about 30 minutes. So it's those tips and tricks that are going to save you the time. Hope you enjoyed that one. There are more to come. You take it easy, you ride safe, and I shall see you on the road.